Hello, I'm Susan Poole from Red Light Therapy Kits, and this is a short video demonstration of the premium red light therapy wrap for human use. So the premium pad houses 128 red and infrared LEDs. The red is 660 nanometers and the infrared are 830 nanometers. And they were chosen for their known therapeutic effect on regenerating tissue. So very quickly, what the red and infrared wavelengths do, they stimulate the mitochondria of the cells to produce adenosine triphosphate, which is the energy unit of the cell. They stimulate what's called the nitric oxide cascade within the hemoglobin of the red blood cells, which is a vasodilator. So you get an opening up of circulation through to tissues. With that, an improvement in the oxygen and the nutrient going to the tissues. It has an effect on stimulating serotonin production, melatonin production, collagen production. Collagen is the protein unit for tendon, ligament, muscle, skin repair. Also has an endorphin releasing effect and a lymphatic drainage effect. Now, it's not a laser. You cannot do any harm if you accidentally leave it on for too long. The cells will reach saturation point and they just won't absorb much more. So it's totally safe to use. So the pad, there are two versions. You've got the mains powered version, which you use in a mains PowerPoint, or this version is the lithium-ion rechargeable battery, which will go for a good 3 hours continuous and you just keep recharging it. Now, the beauty about this pad is its versatility for anywhere on the human body. So by removing those little side tabs, you get much more flexibility. So it can go around shoulders, knees, ankles, and really snuggle the area. Otherwise, you just put those tabs back in place, like so. Now, the pad comes with two short straps, which are Velcro friendly, and a longer strap. So between all those straps, you can place it anywhere on the body, around your lower back, your neck, your shoulder, elbow. The therapeutic effect is exactly the same. Now you'll notice that I'm wearing a light white shirt. Light white shirts are absolutely fine for the pad. Ideally against the skin is best, but it will go through light white cloth very easily. It won't go through coloured cloth as easily or thick cloth. Now, with the straps, of course, just wrap it around the area and keep it in place using whatever length the strap suits you. The other handy thing that comes with the pads are the two bullnose clips. So they are for clipping the pad in place if there's a tricky area to get to. And so say if we've got using it over the shoulder area, you might like to put it in place like so. And you can continue doing what you're doing. You can even go out to the garden and be gardening while you're having a therapeutic session with the pad. So between the straps and the clips, handy for going anywhere. And ideally, using it against bare skin or light white cloth. Now the other handy extra, it doesn't come with a kit, but this is a light white laundry bag. So if you want to keep your pad extra clean, especially when you're going to be using it on a dog or cat, because the pads have significant benefit for animals, you just place it in the cloth bag and that'll keep the surface of it nice and clean. If you do want to wipe over the surface, it's fine with a damp cloth. Some glass cleaner is fine. If you do have hairs on the back of it, you can use just a light scrubbing brush and just pick them off. So the pad is completely multifunctional, whether it's used on a human or an animal. The therapeutic effect is exactly the same. The smaller the animal, the greater the therapeutic effect, because their metabolism is faster, and the size of the pad in relation to their size is much larger. The other pad that we have is the Mini Premium, which is half the size of the Premium. And again, you can get that in the mains powered version or the battery version. If you've got any questions on the use of the pads, don't hesitate to email us at info@redlighttherapykits.com. We do have a comprehensive website and a research page with links to hundreds of published medical research papers and also interviews with high-profile medical researchers in the area of light therapy. That's all on the website, redlighttherapykits.com.au. So thank you, and enjoy your new red light therapy wrap. Cheers.